Let's bring in criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. A couple of legal topics we hit on here. Congresswoman McIver is now being charged with assaulting, impeding, resisting law enforcement officers. Is she protected, Vic? Because some say she's a congressperson who was working at the time for Congress.
Well, the argument is she's protected because Congress has oversight authority. Oversight authority does not mean you can violate the law by delaying the officers that are working at the facility. You have to understand, in federal facilities, Trace, security is number one. You have some of the most dangerous people who are being detained there internationally, national citizens, but you have to maintain order. So yes, there is a bit of, hey, you know what, there was congressional authority to have oversight, but that is not a legal defense for assault, battery, and delaying an officer. She's got some problems here.
Yeah, it's interesting because the legal argument is going to go on, and Democrats are saying, oh, no, we're protected. CNN said the following about Sean Diddy Combs' trial, the P. Diddy trial today. The prosecution alleges that Combs and some in his inner circle used threats, violence, drugs, bribery, arson, kidnapping, and lies to coerce Cassie Ventura and another woman into participating in what he called freak-offs and to protect the music mogul's reputation. What they're saying is, it goes on to talk about how the defense thinks, oh, no, these were just power. It was all willing witness or willing accomplices here. What do you think about that?
Well, if it was a one-day trial and it ended last Thursday, he would walk.
Yeah. It's
not a one-day trial. It's a 2-month trial. And so what the prosecutor is doing is methodically laying out the theory of the prosecution. Here's the witness. She says she was abused. Here are some photographs showing the abuse. Here's the timeline of the abuse. Here's the video that we can't get out of our heads of this extraordinary act of violence against a much less capable female in this case, complete mismatch of power. Yeah. And now we're going to bring in independent witnesses that say, hey, you know what? I saw that. What she said is right. And here's what's going to really be the hook that's going to hang the case for the prosecution. The witness that they're going to present saying, I've been studying psychological trauma for 30 years. I've read history on it for 150 years.
Right.
This battered wife syndrome, quote unquote, or this battered power inconsistency syndrome is exactly why victims don't leave. So you may have a text message saying, oh, I can't wait to see you again, honey. Right. But that's in the context of a 30,000 square foot view of serious psychological torment and trauma. He has a significant uphill battle here to fight.
Yeah, so he's going away for a long time, you think, Vic?
Well, I'm not on the jury, and there's certain things that we don't know when we're not on the jury because we don't know exactly what they're told by the judge and what they see and what they hear minute by minute. But this case is a problematic case because now the prosecutor is going to fill in those voids and create the RICO conspiracy clear as day.
Yeah, the testimony is hard to listen to at times.
Yes.
Vic, thank you.